Hello, my name is Kay Montano. I'm a Chanel makeup artist. Welcome back to beauty school. Today we are going to be working with mascara, and I'm going to show you some hacks of how I do it and what makes it easier, what to avoid. Some people are really frightened of curlers, and the thing is that you have control. So you look down and there's a curved metal side here, and you get that to sit on your lid like this, and then you squeeze. Look what a difference that makes. You don't need to hold it for very long, just a couple of seconds. So this is my favorite hack when it comes to using mascara. You face ahead, you put the mirror underneath you and you look down with your eyes. And this way you can see the whole of the lash, and you can start from root to tip, and you're not touching the top lid. So not only are you able to see the entire lash, but you're also not catching any product anywhere. And then to do the bottom lashes, you keep your head forward and you bring the mirror up. You can apply as much as you want without getting it anywhere near the skin. And another way of separating and removing excess product is to just have a spoolie. A spoolie is basically a mascara wand without mascara. You can get them at any drugstore and they're perfect for just getting rid of the excess and separating any lashes. And it doesn't stop there. There's also so many different colors to choose from. So, some women love brown, perhaps if you're blonde. And there's also purple mascara. Purple is very, very good if you've got green eyes, because it really, really picks up the color. Often with my clients with green eyes, I will use aubergines and purples and plums to really make their eyes pop. Many women often find that mascara tends to run or smudge underneath their lashes. If you have too much moisture underneath your eye area, mascara will tend to pick up. It is a rule of thumb to make sure that there's not too much moisture on your skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my mascara hacks. For more beauty advice, subscribe here to Sheer Luxe Beauty School.